Now we're going to go through compact home screen overview. I'll just go through each tab here and be brief on what it does. First off, up here, this is our interlock. Right now, this machine can only be operated by itself. If there's a downstream machine or an upstream machine and it's all interlocked, it would not operate in this position. If you do have a downstream or an upstream machine and everything is functioning properly, when you are in this position here with the green icon, those machines are going to be in sync now, connected to one another and functioning properly. Two different cleaning modes on the compact that we have. This icon here with the little hand on it, that's going to take your reciprocator and it's going to take it out to the middle of the belt. You're then going to have to trigger the guns manually in this page here to clean them. We'll touch on this screen in a little bit. This icon with the mop here, that is going to, whatever guns are programmed on in the recipe that you're running, which the recipe name is there and the number is there. Whatever guns are programmed on, when you hit this icon, it's going to spray those guns continuously across the belt in your reciprocator cycles until you clear this icon again. Down at the bottom here from left to right, the X here with the manual, that's how we clear our alarms. If you look here, the triangle with the X, this is our active alarms. This is current active alarms. So if I had alarms in here and I was ready to operate the machine, I would come here then and clear those alarms. It's not going to clear because I don't have the power on right now. Also in this same icon here with the triangle, if you come up here in the left-hand corner, this is your alarm record. Okay, and you can scroll down through the alarm records. We're going to go back to our active alarms. So again, active alarms, there, alarm records, there. So back to the home screen. This is our recipe page. What actual recipe, what guns we're running, what conveyor speed, what overspray values, and what the recipe name is. Home screen indicator here. This is our equipment editor. As you see here, we can store up to 4 equipment editors, X and Y axes of the guns, compensation on and off for guns, and gun angles, all in correlation with the center of your post, obviously on reciprocator A and reciprocator B. Home screen indicator again. Swiss Army knife, it's all password protected. Energy savings mode, time delays, variable frequency drive adjustments and such. This is all password protected. Only plant manager or production supervisors should be allowed to have this password. This icon here is your manual operating page. This is where we would adjust our intake air. If we want more intake air, we would come here and we would change our intake air. Conveyors, reciprocator, guns, photo bar, and then our inputs and outputs on our PLC. Also, if we have color change available, we have our color change indicators here, and to manually operate the color change, we come here. Agitators, return, stain feed, and so on. High pressure, low pressure. We're just going through the home screen, so we still have alarms. Now we're going to go back here. This is our active production data. It's power on machine, the working time, red square meters, sprayed square meters, and the number of pieces produced. To reset this information, I simply come down here and clear it. Now you can see the power on the machine has restarted. Back to the home screen, hit that indicator again. Maintenance records. Go down through the left-hand side, everything that we want for maintenance. And if I am maintaining or checking the filter for the ventilation and I've done that, I clear here and I go back to the home screen. Start automatic cycle, stop automatic cycle. Start manual mode, stop manual mode. If we're operating in manual mode, everything is going to be operated from this page here. So we're going to start manual mode here, go into this page, and then operate everything manually. If we are in automatic mode, we're going to hit the start button here. We're going to make sure that it is in line if it's interlocked with other machines, and we're going to see the reciprocator turn from the red here to the yellow to the green.